Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Scrapy is a popular web crawling and web scraping framework in Python. It allows you to extract data from websites efficiently. Scrapy provides an extension mechanism that enables you to add custom functionality to your spider. However, sometimes you might encounter issues when trying to run extensions. In this tutorial, we will explore common problems and their solutions when you cannot run extensions in Scrapy. Before we start, make sure you have Scrapy installed. You can install it using pip. First, let's create a Scrapy project if you haven't already. To create a Scrapy extension, you need to define a Python class that inherits from scrapy.extensions.Extension. Here's an example extension that prints a message before and after a spider is executed. In this example, we've created a simple extension that prints messages when a spider is opened and closed. You can replace the logic inside the spider_opened and spider_closed methods with your custom functionality. To enable the extension, you need to add it to your Scrapy project's settings. Open the settings.py file in your project directory and add the following lines. Make sure that the extension setting references the correct path to your extension class. Now that you've created and enabled the extension, you can run a spider. Assuming you have a spider named example, run it using the following command. If you encounter issues with running extensions, consider the following troubleshooting steps. Check your extension code, ensure that your extension class is defined correctly and that you have imported the necessary modules. Check the settings, double-check your project's settings to ensure that the extension is enabled and correctly referenced in the extension setting. Errors and exceptions, check the Scrapy console for any error messages or exceptions related to your extension. Fix any issues as they arise. Debugging, you can use print statements or Python's logging module to debug your extension code and determine if it's being executed as expected. Version compatibility, ensure that your Scrapy version is compatible with the extension code. Sometimes, extensions might not work as expected due to version mismatches. Virtual environment, if you are using a virtual environment, make sure you have activated it before running Scrapy. By following these steps and troubleshooting any issues you encounter, you should be able to create and run extensions in Scrapy successfully. In this tutorial, we covered the steps to create and enable a Scrapy extension. Extensions allow you to add custom functionality to your Scrapy spiders. If you encounter problems with running extensions, make sure to check your code, settings, and debugging information to identify and resolve the issues. Extensions are a powerful feature of Scrapy that can enhance your web scraping capabilities and automate various tasks. ChatGPT